Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's CJP Coding, and today I'm going to show you guys how I added a second skin to my basketball game. Wait a second, made a quick mistake. Alright, here we go. So, I originally recorded this whole entire thing, and right as I was doing the outro, my laptop died. So, I can't go step by step on this one, so this time I'm gonna have to just tell you guys literally exactly what I did. And I can't even like show you guys, like not even like. Anyways, last time we were with the player, and we had a lot of things, you know. We had a lot of things. We had the jump shot. Well, actually, we didn't have the jump shot, but I actually added the jump shot. So I'm gonna show you guys how I basically added the jump shot. I don't know why, but some of my coding just got deleted because last time I checked, I added a jump shot. This is kind of good because now I could just show you guys how I did the jump shot. Anyways, actually I could just take this. Anyways, let's go. So basically, let's act like we never did any of this. We just finished the and everything. Now let's add a jump shot. So first, I made a second outfit. This is the second skin. We'll worry about that later. I made a second outfit, which I like tilted his finger with the shaping tool, and I made his shot look like a flick that people do on their jump shots. But if you go, he's not jumping. So I need to change that. So when R key pressed, which is the button for release that I choose, you can choose whatever you want. Then switch to shoot, glide, and this is basically how I did it. This is the starting position, 423, and then I just moved up a little bit. I'm trying like move like up here. I don't know the exact area, but I just like made like a jumping type thing. It's like somewhere in here, somewhere. Anyways, it looked like a jump shot. It looked like he was jumping, and then I'm gonna just activate it, so you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, see, that's basically it. Boom. That is how you do it. So yeah. Anyways, let's get back in the game. Now, let's shoot a shot, and yeah, tell me that does not look 10 times better. Tell me what just happened. Oh, I didn't. There you go. There you go. It's fixed now. You shoot, jump shot goes in, and now let's go to the points variable. So I just created a variable called points, and then I did this, and green flag click set points to 0, and then when you get the excellent release, like which we did last time, change points by 2, and that's basically it. Anyways, now I wanted to make a way for there to be a second skin in this game. So basically what I did is I added another added a button. But before I added the button, I just duplicated these and then just changed the color and made a different character. If you want, you can make it like a different NBA player, like Michael Jordan and LeBron James. If you want someone else, a good shooter, any basketball player, then you could just go and just do that. Anyways, I made that, added this button. When this sprite clicked, and then I took a or block, and then it looked like this, blank or blank, and I put a point is greater than 10, because I'm on the button, it says 10 points to buy it, or if points equals 10, and then you just put that in there. Then broadcast skin 2, meaning that you bought the skin 2. Then if you go back here, I made another code that just says, like, basically if your points is less than 10, saying that you can't. If it's equal to, then boom, you bought it. Then when you know that you bought it, I made this new code, and it says if costume equals skin 2, then broadcast controls switch to stand 2. Stand 2 is the name of the stand, so then it like switches skins whenever you do it. So yeah, and then as you know, when the R key is pressed, you like, yeah, if you're just having a different outfit, it's gonna change back when you jump. So then this is how I made these variables make sense. So basically what I did is that when you try to buy it, when green flag clicked, well actually no, here's how it works. It's basically simple. It's just that when you start the game, this equals 0, and then this equals 0, and then boom, that's literally it. Then when you broadcast the buying, it just boom, this is 0, this is 0, equals the same thing, and then when you press the button, it just switches the skin. So yeah. Then when you have the skin, I just did the same code again. Also, please make sure to add a forever loop, then put if key R pressed, and then just copy the same jump shot, switch the costumes in between, and then go right back, and then boom. And also make sure to show your variables, show points, just so you don't have to score 10 points. I'm gonna just change points by 10 so you could do this quicker. And then boom, I could buy my skin. Got my skin. Now boom, I could do some jump shots with my skin. Why is this happening? Let me and then let's see. How can we fix this? I think you can try and stop other scripts and Sprite when you do this. So let's trigger that. Go back to this. And let's see what happens if you shoot. Maybe I have to buy it. I don't know. Let's keep looking. Same control. Or if you want to make it much simpler, you could just change the controls, because there's no way to actually fix this. So the quicker way is just to change the key. Let's just make it S. And then now you could just press S and then shoot. Then Now we have to change this when I receive bought, and then just do that. And then yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. I keep on getting it wrong. Like that. Bro, I keep on pressing the wrong button. Let's go back to... Oh wait, this isn't the player sprite. Let's go to back to this. And we press S, and then the ball isn't moving. Let's check out the coding. Oh, I know, I know. If key R pressed, then if touching color green, then, and then now let's activate this. Oh wait, it's S. S. Let's activate. Boom. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. And yeah, this is the end for this basketball series. We'll probably continue it. Well, we'll probably do another sport someday, but anyways, bye.